very different. How do we know this? Well, you can perform arithmetic operations on numbers but not on text. Kotlin also knows it. Okay. That's why every variable has a type that determines what possible operations you can perform on this variable and which values you can store in it. Okay. A variable's type is set when the variable is declared. So our text is this is a string and this is a number. In this case, Kotlin knows that text is a string and n is a number. Kotlin determines the type of both variables automatically. This mechanism is called type inference. Okay, type inference, data types. Okay, so type inferences deduces the data type of a variable. Okay, please take a look at the following code. This is how we declare a variable with type inference identifier. Okay, so type name starts with an uppercase. What if we use lowercase? Okay, type name always starts with uppercase. Okay, you see that people use both these forms of variable declaration in practice. When you use type interference, you make your code more concise and readable. But in some cases, it may be better to specify the type. For example, if we need to declare a variable and initialize it later, type interference won't work at all. Okay. The example is incorrect because Kotlin cannot infer the type of the variable when is when it is merely declared, while every variable must have a type. On the contrary, the example below does work because the type is specified by the programmer. Okay, type mismatch. One of the most important functions of data types is to protect you from assigning an unsuitable value to a variable. Okay, let's think as a compiler. Declare two variables of type string, name them first and last, and assign your first name and your last name to them. First, you have to declare type string. Declare one variable of type int with the name age and assign your age to it. How? What is the syntax? So you don't have to close it with semicolons. Okay. Let's see if this works. It should work. What the? Um, okay. There's a program that prints the value of number, but somehow it is not right. Please fix it. Will be. We should be able to do this with one layer. The form of declaration without type inference. What is the value variable declaration without using type inference? Oh shit, how? All identifiers equal to initialization. Okay, so I did the opposite. What should I do? I think it's over for today. See you tomorrow, guys.